my name is Jyotis. I have around 15 years of experience in IT. I take care of sales and strategy at SappyHair. This is Deepu. He is also around having 14 years of experience in IT industry. He take care of technology aspects in SappyHair.
SappyHair is an intelligent recruitment platform that empowers enterprises to hire the best talent fast without changing their existing hiring process. And during this process, SappyHair also ensures that the candidate experience is boosted to multifold. So we believe that every company has a unique way of hiring, which is why we've organized the process of talent acquisition to suit each organization's structure.
We started our company in late 2018, and over the last 2 years, we got very interesting traction and product maturity. As a company, the next step would to scale up this business in different dimensions. We got to know about Wadhwani Foundation and VFE Growth Program, which we felt as the right choice as per our goals. When we started the interaction with the VFT Growth team, we felt a lot of synergy between our expectations and program offerings.
As we are a growing stage, like Joseph was mentioning that we started in 2018, so it's been just 2 years. Since we are in a very growing stage, a hyper-growth stage, most of our time was spent on day-to-day operational stuff, like managing the customers or getting into the engineering details. So on a day-to-day basis, we were heavily involved in operational stuff. But this program, the VFT program, actually helped us to zoom out from the daily operations and reflect on how we are spending the day. And it helped us to focus on the business strategy and various other growth aspects. So ever since we started engaging with the VFT team, what we felt is that we started receiving a lot of help and mentoring from the industry leaders and overall from the VFT team, which is actually helping us to have a fresh look at the business model. So when we look at it, now VFT is kind of like our own team. Like at any point in time, we are having the freedom and we have the liberty to go back to the VFT team and request for a help, and which the team is always there to help you as a part of your core team itself.
This is one of the very few acceleration programs where we have unlimited access to the dedicated mentor. In our case, it was Mr. Vijay Lada who helped us to fine-tune the value proposition of our product.
And if we take a simple example, like we had one of our prospects whom we were trying to close for the last few months. And apparently after engaging with the VFT team, we see that the kind of help that Mr. Vijay Lada has been providing to how to present things or how to convince the customer with the real value that the product is adding. In our case, what the values that SappyHair is adding to the customer. So once all those things are very clear in terms of articulation, I think it helps us a lot to do the final lap towards closing the customer. So I think, ever since we started engaging and interacting with the VFT team, it's been like a success story for us and extremely delighted to say that we are actually closing one of our premium customer like very soon. And I would like to thank Team VFT for their enormous support, and especially to Mr. Vijay Lada, who has been supporting us always. Like as Joseph said, they're always there for us as a dedicated mentor and having an unlimited access to them. So yeah, thank you for that.